Want to raise your credit score by 50 points in just 1 month? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 quick fixes to raise your credit score fast, even if you struggled in the past. It's bars. I'm Shamia from Money and Home Hacks. After years of helping many families save money, boost and improve their credit score, and hit their financial goals, prepare for home ownership, I learned the exact strategies needed to make the biggest difference, and I'm here to share them with you so you can live smarter, save more, and crush your financial goals even faster. First, you want to pay down your credit utilization. You want to keep credit card balances below 30%. Now, ideally 10%, but if that's too tough for you, let's just start with the 30%. One foot in front of the other. Start with 30%. Now, what I'm talking about is the balance on your credit card. That's the amount of money that you still owe your credit card holder. Now, here's another little tip inside of my tip number 1. If you call your credit card company, sometimes, depending on your credit score, sometimes you can ask for a credit limit increase. When they increase the limit of your credit that you already have on that credit card, let's say your current credit card limit is $5,000 and they increase it to $10,000, that will automatically lower your credit utilization. So again, pay down your credit utilization to below 30%, ideally 10%. So that takes me to tip number 2, request a credit limit increase. This will boost the amount of available credit that you have without incurring new debt. Here's the point. Don't incur new debt. Don't increase your credit limit if you're not ready to handle more money on that credit card. If increasing your credit limit is going to cause you to spend more, that's going to hurt your credit score. And we are here to boost this credit score 50 points in 1 month. So increasing the amount of available credit will also increase the amount of points that you can earn on your score. Number 3, dispute errors on your report. Did you know that 1 in 5 credit reports have mistakes? And those mistakes could very well be costing you when it comes to your credit score. You want to make sure, since we're talking about this, make sure you're always checking your credit reports for any errors. Make sure something that's not supposed to be there is no longer there, or something that should have been removed is removed. I'm going to actually leave a link in my description to annualcreditreport.com. You can go there and check your credit report for free, and it won't hurt your credit score. So check it. Number 4, add rent or utility payments to your credit report. Some people are a little scared about this, and some of you should be. If you are not on time with those type of bills, like your rent and any utilities that you currently pay for monthly, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. You can use software like Experian Boost and others to do so. Again, this will help you boost your credit score about 50 points in 1 month, but it's not for those of us that don't pay these types of bills on time. It's okay. When you get there, you can do it. But if that's not you right now, don't do it. And number 5, avoid late payments. Avoid them like the plague. Did you know that one late payment, one single late payment, can drop your credit score 80 to 100 points? Ain't nobody got time for that. You want to make sure you're avoiding late payments. Do what you got to do to organize yourself to make sure your payments are on time. Communicate to your credit holders if you need to, but avoid late payments. Now, I have a video where I'm going to show you how to be late without getting a late payment. Okay. But for now, just avoid late payments. They're no good to any of us. So all of these steps can help you boost your score in just 30 days. Hit that subscribe button and catch me on my next video on first-time homebuyer mistakes to avoid. See you soon.